So hey guys, today we are going to learn on how you could take fonts from Freepik, these kind of 3D text, and use it through Photoshop. So this actually involves a really simple process, but at the same time, you are going to learn the entire procedure on how we could do this. So we are going to use DaFont.com and Freepik and Photoshop in this tutorial. This would be really helpful for all the graphic designers out there who just got started up with Photoshop. I hope you stay tuned throughout this video and you'll be able to learn a lot from this easy tutorial. Have a nice day, guys.
So guys, as for this tutorial, we are going to use Safari, but if you have Chrome or Bing, don't worry, because it's all the same process on whatever search engine that you want this from. So in this, you should basically type freepik.com, that's the website we are going to. And in here, you have example user interface with clear instructions from place to place. So as for me, I have logged in through my Google account. It doesn't matter if you have regular sign up account, but whatever it is, you should always have an account, either way. And as you scroll down, you guys could get an excellent idea on how this works. And we are going to write 3D text because that's what we are going to learn throughout this video. And as the 3D text within this website, there's a huge amount of 3D text to use in your Photoshop projects or your normal projects. In here, we are going to select a really special font that you could learn how to do. And this is called Strong. You would actually know why we are using this font called Strong. And right there, you can download it. And once you have downloaded it, make sure you check your downloads. And as we can see, it has downloaded and we have two specific files, the JPG file and the PSD file. So from this, you click on the PSD file and open it through Photoshop. And right there, we can see that Photoshop is loading. And once Photoshop has actually loaded, you guys need to know another thing. Some of you guys might not be having this font. It is used in PSD. So first of all, you go to edition and then double click. Make sure you double click the font. And once you double click it, you get the font without any styles. But then some of you guys might not be having even Empire or that specific font within your device, but not to worry. I'm going to teach you how to get that font as well. So go back to your search engine. As for me, Safari, and open a new tab or your old tab. Doesn't matter, and type DaFont.com. And through this website, you could actually get this font, Evil Empire. And you search for it. And once you got it, you actually download it. Because I actually have it within my device, so I'm not going to download it again. And go to your font book. I'm using Mac OS. So in this, you would get a pop-up saying install. And once you have installed it, it will be in the device. This will be the same for Windows, so don't worry, this tutorial is really simple. And go back to Photoshop. Right there you will have the Evil Empire font installed to your device. And as for me, I'm going to type science, and you save this once you have typed it. And once you have saved it, go back to the editable text effect, and you could see that it has changed. Right there we have it. It has actually changed. So I guess that this tutorial was really helpful for you guys. And if you guys have any questions to ask, make sure you drop it down to the comment section down below. I hope this video was insightful for all your creative activities. Make sure keep me updated on what other problems you guys have. So I wish you all the very best and have a nice day. Thank you.
So I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you guys. And if you do have any questions based on designing or questions within this tutorial, make sure you drop down your questions in the comment section down below. And if this tutorial was really helpful for you guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel or like or share with your friends who would actually need these kinds of